wanted to kind of show you. These are the tailgate for the firefighters and things like that. If they do really great. They have a lot of bright strobes on them. Several different patterns. You can run this across your tailgate. I'm gonna show you at the end how they came in the box and all the parts. But you can run these across your tailgate on the back, and it's got a cigarette lighter plug with a toggle switch that you can change the modes of the lights and everything. So we'll go through them. As you can see, it's kind of strobing like this. So let's show you another way. And as you can see, this is the plug that I have in my truck cigarette lighter. You have your on and off switch right here. It's going to turn them completely off. And you can come up here, turn them on. And even this is like a spring loaded switch here. And they're going to be different strobes. So let's show you what they do. As you seen in the first part, how they were strobing straight across. This is more like a blinking pulsation. Really fast, blinking back and forth to light red and white. This is a straight, where they don't go on and off. There's another setting. And another. Guys, this has several different blinking and the way they strobe. A lot of different options you can choose from. Highly recommend these things. They're super bright. As you can see out here in my yard at night, just kind of wanted to show y'all how bright they really are. I mean, you cannot even look at them straight. Standing this close, they'll blind you. But I highly recommend these things. Super durable. So let's show you how they came in the box. All right, guys, this is how they came. This was the 60-inch truck and pickup red and white lights. Now, these are the tailgate strobe light bars. These are go on your tail strobe on your tailgate. Get it out of my mouth. Super nice little Ziploc type bag. It just comes in. So pull it out and just kind of show you how it all came. Super durable, as you can see, weather tight, super flexible, really thick, well made. You have a super long cord. You got your connections, your watertight connections here that you can put these on. They come apart and they have like a little screw here that go over there and tighten down to make them connections. You got your different toggles here that go in your cigarette lighter. As you see, you can mount these with your tape, or you can mount them with all your straps, however you want to do them. Super nice product though. These things work great and they're made great. They're gonna last you a lifetime if you have them. So I highly recommend them. They do a great job, and this is a really good product.